What's up, guys, and welcome to Home Garage. And today's project is the completion of the Murray walk-behind string trimmer. Let's take off the carburetor and take it apart so that we can do a complete cleaning on it.
Can't go on like this.
Use some wire, some carb cleaner, and some compressed air and clean out every hole that you can find. After all the cleaning is done, let's go ahead and reassemble the carburetor. And now let's go ahead and reinstall the carburetor back onto the engine. Now let's go ahead and change the oil, and as you can see, it's the wrong color and the wrong consistency. We'll go ahead and add the oil and keep checking the level using the dipstick. Now let's go ahead and prime the carburetor and give it a couple of pulls and see if it starts. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.